What's up, guys? Timmy here. I'm gonna do an unboxing of a launcher, sparking launcher. Here, we're gonna unbox it now. Here's the sparking launcher. As you can see, there's the Super King sign, and you can see all the sparks there. And you see in the background Hikaru and Hyuga, and there are different kinds of launchers here, and you can see Glide Ragnarok and Super Hyperion in the side of the box. We're gonna open the sparking launcher. As you can see, I have Union Achilles and Imperial Dragon with me. Here's Achilles. There's that chip and the sabers, and you can see his tip is in stamina mode. This is defense mode. And that's attack mode. This is Dragon, and he can light up. There. You can see the light. Okay, let's get to unboxing my launcher. Tape is gone. Launcher here. Let's launch it. You can see the sparks running. Most people don't have, some people don't have any grip, but luckily I do. Here, I use it for the gold launcher, but my other one's broken. Now, let's put it there. And we're gonna do some test battles. Stadium. And my little brother is gonna join me. Come. You can see Dragon is in almost an ultimate awakening mode.
What up?
There, you can see the stadium. Now let's get the base. Here's your launcher. Let's do some test things. 3, 2, 1. Let it. Okay, it's pretty strong. There. Okay, if the spin is good, its stability also good, and we're gonna do some test battles now.
Okay, here we come, boys. Here we come, boys.
Wait. Here we are. I have my launcher set, and we are rolling in 3, 2, 1. Let it rip! Oh no!
Whoa, yeah, baby.
My launcher's overpowered.
I won.
Let's try that again.
I think I won.
Yep.
Yeah. What's a gun?
Okay, let's try that again. This time, I'll try to perfect my launch. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. There we go. Oh!
Whoa! That was cool, guys. That was cool.
As you can see, Dragon won the battle. Okay. This launcher.
Did you see that, guys?
Powered. Now let's try it again.
That was
Let's
amazing.
see if Cordeus can beat Dragon. I doubt it though.
I doubt it, though.
3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Here. Let's try again until you do a good launch. Maybe you should just take Achilles.
Is Dragon Lunch strong?
Of course it is. It's strong with this launcher.
Recognize. Achilles launch.
In 3, 2, 1. Let's do some test battles. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Oh no. Let's try again.
Dragon launch, baby. Dragon launch is fine. Because I'm
3, 2, 1. You don't have to do that. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip.
Oh!
As you can see, Dragon has won 3 times. Maybe you should try another day, like Salamander, the fast driver. Here.
Oh, I have an idea.
We will test how it works. Okay, you can see the sparks. There, you saw the sparks. Now, there is Dragon.
Dude, you can do this. Oh.
There. There. Okay. You can like launch it now.
Even though I'm using Valkyrie. Even though it's solo laser strong. See, it's gonna make me
Let's go. Oh. Okay. After we do this, we're gonna show my mom in the kitchen cooking pasta. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Okay, battle is on. As you can see, Dragon is pummeling Valtryek. Oh, and Dragon wins. Dragon wins the battle.
Take my sword.
Wow.
Thank you.
Overpowered. Dragon hasn't lost a single battle. Outstanding. Let's get all the bays. And
Wow.
there. You can pick any bay you want.
Yeah, also you.
But no, I'm sticking with Dragon. 3,
You're sticking.
2, 1. Let it. Oh no.
Whoa.
Oh,
Ah! That was cool.
guys. It went out. It bursted.
Can't see.
It bursted into pieces.
Guys, when Valkyrie just fall, she just bursted in pieces. That was amazing.
Okay, let's do a test launch again. Let's try.
Oh, jeez. I'm gonna get the sparkling launcher though.
There. Let's do some test punches again. And 3, 2, 1. That is it.
Oh, how about
No,
this?
Dragon can't handle all the power. The stability is good, like I said. Okay, let's wait for my brother.
I got my launcher.
He's using Scalius.
Are you gonna get trouble
Here's
for
his
that?
launcher.
Are you gonna get trouble for like scallions?
Thing. Come on. Let's.
I'm gonna use another launcher.
Let's go.
Are you gonna get trouble for like
Please don't use that one. That one is weak. Use your other one. Oh no. Sorry guys.
That was an accident. Are you gonna try?
Come on, let's
Yes.
go.
Are you gonna get trouble for like scallions? Even though I'm gonna hit you. This is my sword.
Okay, we're gonna do a battle again. 3, 2, 1. Sorry for the wait anyway. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip.
Ooh, ooh.
Burst, 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 burst. As you can see, Dragon is kind of unstoppable.
Yes.
The objective of these Beyblade battles is to awaken Dragon in its ultimate state.
Ultimate launcher. Yeah. But not Valkyrie.
It works best for Dragon.
He's gonna get trouble for that. See? Valkyrie? He's gonna get
Dragon.
trouble.
There's no stickers.
Look
Come
at
on, let's-
Scallius.
Okay, let's do next battle.
Okay.
Oof. On 3.
On 3, 2, Achilles.
In 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Okay. Oh, Achilles wins. I mean lose. Okay, Achilles needs a better launch. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. So far, Dragon has won all of the battles. But let's see a Shindra in action. Here's a Shindra, and doesn't have its other parts yet. I'll get the other parts, and we're gonna battle. Here, a Shindra. Okay, let's battle.
Just scare me. No, you just scare me.
3,
My face. Yeah, in your face. In your face.
as you can see, we are battling with a Shindra and Dragon. We will see who's going to win. But first, let's see if the
Dragon
launch
launch.
is good. In 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Okay, they're battling! They're battling! Oh, and Dragon wins! Again! Oh gosh! Guys! This is... I don't know how many times he won that, but he's practically unstoppable with the bound wing mode. Well, maybe it's it keeps winning because it almost at its ultimate awakening state.
Well, how is this? This is fast enough.
Okay, guys, as you can see,
Oh yeah!
One.
You're gonna get
Again.
big trouble. You're
As
gonna
you can see,
get
this
big
sparking
trouble.
launcher is making Dragon unstoppable here.
You're gonna get big trouble, baby.
3, 2, 1. Let it rip.
Trouble.
Again. 3, 2,
Hades.
1. Let it rip.
I've got Hades here.
Come on. Battle. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Okay, Hades loses and Dragon wins.
Can this be unstoppable?
Okay. We are almost done with the battles. That's it for the Beyblade part. Okay. Now, we will make another video, but that's Kerbeus right there. Now we're gonna show you all the day. Okay, so this is Union Achilles, Dragon, and thanks for watching, and
Subscribe.
let's see the sparks again. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip! Whoa, that's cool. Okay, see you guys in the next video.